Okay, so now we are at the stage where we have Udakadhi. Let's now take the Sutram 6357 so we can make the Adeshaha Uda in place of Udaka. This Sutram is Udakasyodas Sanyayam. Padacheda is Udakasya Udaha Sanyayam. Look at the number of the Sutram, it is 6357. This is an Adhikara which we have come to previously. We have seen a couple of rules from this Adhikara. We have studied 6314 Tatpurushe Kriti Bahulam. We have also studied 6367 which is Arudvisha Dajantasya Mum. The Adhikara starts from 631 Aluguttarapade. Uttarapade. Uttarapade Adhikara goes all the way down up to the end of 6.3. So that is up to 6.3.139. Uttarapade runs from 6.3.1 down to 6.3.139. What it means is that all these operations prescribed in 6.3 of the Ashtadhyayi, which is the third quarter of chapter 6 of the Ashtadhyayi, they take place when the latter member of a compound follows, which means that they take place on the former member of a compound. That is the Adhikara of Uttarapade. So here we have Udakasya Odas Sanyayam, and the Vritti says that Udakasya Odasyad Uttarapade Sanyayam. So when followed by Uttarapadam, which means that when followed by a latter member of a compound, the word Udaka is substituted by Uda. But there is one condition here, which means that the compound should denote a proper name. It should not be a general adjective. It should be a proper name. So right now we're deriving the word Udadhi, which is used for Samudraha, the ocean. So that is a proper name. It is not a general adjective. So that condition is satisfied in our case here. So we have Udakadhi, and now we bring in the Uda Adesha in place of Udaka by this Sutram 6357, Udakasya Udas Sanyayam. And since the Adesha Uda is an Anekala Adesha, it has more than one letter, therefore by 155 Anekalshis Sarvasya, the entire sthani, the entire item to be replaced, Udaka, it gets replaced by Uda. So the entire Udaka is replaced by Uda. And we get the final form Udadhi. It's a compound which is declined like Rama Shabdaha. So Prathama Ekvachanam is Udadhi. So this we derived in the meaning of Samudraha. Now Udadhi could also be an adjectival form denoting anything in which water is placed. So for example, it could mean a pot, Udadhir Ghataha. In that case, what happens is that we cannot use this sutram, of course. This sutram may only be used Sanyaya. But the next sutram in the Ashtadhyayi is available for that form. That sutram 6358 says Pesham Vasa Vahana Dishu Cha. So there Dhi is specifically mentioned. So Anuvritti of Udakasyodaha goes down from 6357 to 6358. 6358 applies only when the Uttarapadam is either Pesham or Vasa or Vahana or Dhi. So if the word derived is not a sanya, if it is just an adjectival form like Udadhir Ghataha, in that case we have to use 6358 to replace Udaka by Uda and get the form Udadhi. So depending on the meaning, whether it is a sanya or not, we have to use the appropriate sutram. If it is a sanya like Samudraha, then we use 6357. It is not a sanya, just an adjectival form, meaning say Ghataha, a pot in which water is filled, then we have to go to 6358. There Panini specifically says that if the Uttarapadam is either Pesham, Vasa, Vahana or Dhi, then the prior padam Udaka becomes Uda. That is one subtle point here, is that depending on whether a sanya is implied or not, we have to use 6357 if there is a sanya, otherwise 6358.